Ugh, I can't see anything from up here. It's just overgrown and full of trash. We'll never find a chameleon in this mess.
You're exactly right. If we want to find George, we have to clean the mess.
Bibi, are you looking at this place? Cleaning it'll take forever.
Not if we have help. Constructomax, construct a lot cleaning machine.
Flitterflower Macro Power.
Bibi, this thing is gigantorous. Won't it scare away George?
Chameleons are smart. George will stay out of its way.
Really? Ride, Rangers, ride!
Pretty clever, Bibi. Pretty clever.
That machine won't accidentally hurt George or the raccoons, will it?
Animals don't like loud noises, so they'll give it room.
Constructomax, deconstruct the lot cleaning machine.